Connecting eBay with Payoneer is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can connect your eBay account with your Payoneer account. So for that, let me tell you one thing. You can use the Payoneer's credit card that you can add it to eBay, and you guys can make purchases with that credit card using Payoneer's account. So you just need to select any of the product that you want to buy on eBay. Suppose I want to buy this phone. I'm just going to click on that, and I just going to click on this buy it now. So I'm just going to click on checkout as I guess. Now here they will want me to add the information regarding my address, and in the payment section I can easily add this Visa or MasterCard. Now you just need to add the information of your card, your Pioneer's credit card. So how you guys can get the Pioneer's credit card? For that you have to log into your Pioneer's account, and here you just have to click on this Pioneer's card. Now it will just load. Now here you just have to order a card if you currently don't have any, if you haven't ordered any card. But if you have ordered the card and the pending is approval, you just need to submit your documentation and you need to verify account. So after ordering the card, you will get a card. You can easily use that card to buy anything you want on eBay. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can connect your eBay with Payoneer. Hope you guys find this very helpful.